أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Our distinguished guest of honor, Assistant Secretary Janil Latukan of the Department of Education, our beloved BARM Chief Minister Abdul Rauf A. Makakawa, our esteemed Congressman Zia Rahman Alonto Adjong and Yasir Alonto Balindong, our Vice Governor Muhammad Khalid Ratin Adjong, together the honorable members of the Sangguniang Palalawigan, our members, the BARM Parliament and their staff and representatives, our city and vice mayors, municipal mayors, together with their spouses, other representatives of our local government units, provincial directors and officers of the BARM ministries, our partners from the regional trial courts and Sharia courts, our friends from the judiciary and legal profession, representatives from the civil society organization, non-government organization, the business community, the security sector, the health and social welfare sectors, our national government agencies, our respected ulama and advisory councils, the Federation of Royal Sultanates, our friends from the media and information sector, our department heads and hard-working employees of the provincial government of Lanao del Sur, and to all my fellow Maranaos from every municipalities and Marawi City of our beloved province, mabuhay and welcome po tayong lahat. Ngayong araw, pinagdiriwang natin ang ika-67 anibersaryo ng pagkakatatag ng ating mahal na lalawigan, Lanao del Sur. 67 taon na ang nating pinangangalagaan ng ating kultura, kasaysayan, pananampalataya at pagkakailanlan bilang mga Maranao. Ang Pagkaradian o Sarimanok 2026 ay pagdiriwang ng ating pagkakaisa, katatagan at sama-samang hangarin para sa isang mas mapayapa at mas maunlad na Lanao del Sur. This month-long celebration reflects the strength of our people and our commitment to preserving our heritage while embracing progress. It is a celebration made possible through the collective efforts of our provincial government, our partners, and every community across Lanao del Sur. Sa buong buwan ng Hulyo, iba't ibang programa ang ating inihanda para sa inyong lahat. Magsisimula tayo sa mga serbisyong direktang makakatulong sa ating mamamayan, kabilang na ang senior citizen, kung saan ako'y napapabilang na ngayon, na may cash assistance at medical and optical mission, ang serbisyong karavan para sa solo parents, ang Ranao Servicio Day, isang malaking multi-agency service caravan na lalahukan ng mahigit 20 ahensya ng pamahalaan upang ilapit sa ating mamamayan ang iba't ibang serbisyo ng gobyerno. Kasabay nito, ang libreng medical, optical at dental services para sa ating mga kababayan. Bilang isang dalawigang matatag ang pananampalataya, ang ating pagdiriwang ang step forward iman na nagtatampok ng Quran memorization, recitation, hadith memorization, adhan competition, Arabic writing at iba pa. Ang mga gawain ito ay magpapatibay sa ating pananampalataya at sa mga pagpapahalagang pinapasa natin sa susunod na henerasyon. Ipagmamalaki rin natin ang ating kultura sa pamamagitan ng Ranao Culinary Food Festival, Kasipa sa Manggis, Ranao Street Dance Showdown, Waves of the Lake, the Maranao Fashion Show at ang Ranao Heritage Village, kung saan may papakita ng ating syudad at mga munisipyo ang kanilang natatanging kultura at tradisyon. Throughout the month, we will also conduct activities that promote environmental protection, agriculture, health, nutrition, tourism, infrastructure, animal welfare, and community development. We have prepared programs on tree planting, vegetable gardens, nutrition awareness, infrastructure and equipment exhibitions, women's empowerment, capacity building, and many other community activities. Para sa ating mga kabataan, tampok ang TechSol, Students Innovation Hackathon, Maranao Mind Quest, Ranao Blackburst Workshop, at ang iba pang academic at innovation activities na magpapakita ng kanilang talento at kakayahan. Our sports and recreational events will also bring together athletes and enthusiasts through volleyball, basketball, volleyball, pickleball, lawn tennis, mobile legends, golf, chess, Scrabble, darts, and many other competitions that promote teamwork and excellence. Makakasama rin natin sa ating pagdiriwang ang Man of the Lake, Midnight Half Marathon, Ranao Photography Contest, Dato, Dirt Assault Terrain Ultimate Off-Road Challenge, Siap Kubangsa, at marami pang iba. Mga minamahal ating kababayan, ang pagdiriwang na ito ay para sa ating lahat. Hindi lamang ito programa ng ating pamahalang panlalawigan, kundi pagdiriwang ng bawat Maranao. Ito ay pagkakataon upang ipagmalaki ang ating kultura, suportahan ang ating mga lokal na talento at ipakita ang best ng Lanao del Sur. I therefore invite everyone to take part in this month-long celebration. Bring your families, support our local communities, and celebrate with pride our identity as people of the lake. Together, let us continue building a province that honors its heritage while embracing a brighter future for every generation. Muli, maligayang ika-67 araw ng Lanao del Sur, naway maging makabuluhan at matagumpay ang ating pagdiriwang. Maraming salamat inyong lahat. Pinalamatan na kasano, alaw na makandiray ng Imando, especially our guest, Asik Datukan, and our very own Honorable Makakuha, Chief Minister Honorable Makakuha. Sa kanawan langon, ang mga pipiyataw sa isang kay Pangampungaranaw na ayamana ang pinalamatan tanong na School of Ta'ala. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.